Hi, it's Tamika again from Savvy Nester Designs. Today I'm going to share a tutorial with you on how to set up your customer database and invoice tracker. I suggest this product for anyone who is selling products outside of a website like Etsy or eBay, where you're going to need to invoice your customers and you're going to need their information handy. All right, so let's just get started and I'm going to show you how to set yours up today. Okay, so for this tutorial, I am using the theme Pink Summer. This is included in the 5 themes that come with your purchase. This is actually my favorite right now. It's springtime, but we're heading into summer, and I'm just loving the colors and the design. Okay, so to start, we're going to go to the Customer Contacts tab. This is where everything starts. For every customer that you make an invoice for, you need to enter their information into this contact list so that we can keep track of what they are spending with us. So I'm going to enter a name here. Okay, so this is my new customer, Emily Smith. She became a customer in April. This contact was obtained through an in-person event. Then I can add her email address, her phone number, her home address. So I'm just making up a home address for her. Okay, so all this information is important for our tracking system. So we've added our new contact. Next, we're going to enter in what she has ordered from us or what she wants to order from us. All right, so we're going to use this drop-down list and we find her name, Emily Smith, from 4/1. Okay, so here you can see there is an invoice number made. That's because in this very first line, I created my first invoice number. This is what I wanted it to start at. So from there, it's just going to add one for you so you don't have to keep track of those numbers. If you don't like that numbering system, you can just write right over it and it will show up on your invoice. Next, we're going to enter in the products that she is going to purchase. So we're going to ignore this invoice total column because this is automatically going to calculate everything for us, and we're going to start here. So she purchased a necklace, and we enter the amount and how many, and she's also ordering some rings from us. So she ordered 3 rings at $25 a piece. And okay, if we look back, our invoice total is $105. It added that for us, multiplied it by the quantity. So then we can go straight over to our invoice maker right here. And we need to change the information here by going over and selecting our customer. We're using Emily. Then we have to select what actual invoice we want to see. So it looks like she only has one on record, 12547 for $105. So if she had made, let's say, 5 or 6 purchases with us, all of those would be listed, and then we would have to select which one is the right invoice number, and you can easily identify that because the dollar amount is right there for you. So that's the one we want to see. And look here, all of our information is showing up. We see the invoices from April 1st. She purchased a necklace, rings at these prices, at these quantities. And then if we scroll down a little bit, we can see our total is 105 plus right here, we're going to change our tax rate. Say our tax rate is 5.75. Okay, so that is $6.04. It's going to add that together for us. We can also see our customer's information is right here, her name and address right there. And finally, this is all of the information that you will fill out ahead of time just so that the customer knows how they can pay you. So once you fill that all in, it'll be automatic every time you print. And you can also delete this off of here, add your logo to it so it's personalized to you, add your business name, your business tagline, email, website. All of this can be whatever information you want. It is free text, so it doesn't have to be these things, just whatever your business wants to share on your invoices. So when you're done, everything's filled out the way you want it to be. You go to File, Print. This is taking a moment. Okay, and you choose what printer you want to send it to. You'll see your invoice here, and you can either print it off or you can save it as a PDF, which I think that option might be right here. So you can send it to whatever. You can do PDF, you can do a OneNote document, whatever you're using to send out your invoices, you can use that. And it's as simple as that. So once this is done, you filled this all out, then it's time to track the payments. So you go to Customer Purchase Summary. You're going to see your 2 customers are here. You have Emily, who now owes $105. And if she's doing it in installments, or let's say she's purchased 5 or 6 times with you, you can include all the payments she's ever made. So let's say she makes a $75 payment, then you know she still owes $30, and then she makes the $30 payment. Sorry, my laptop is running slow. It would also subtract that amount there. So that is it for how to set everything up. If you have any questions, you are welcome to reach out to me through my email or through Etsy. This should be pretty easy to use and awesome if you're somebody who sells in-person items.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Also, I'm going to leave all of my contact information here in the description, so you can just reach out anytime through email or Etsy message. So that's all I have for you today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.